In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate image generation limits on ChatGPT, specifically when you've hit your quota using DALL-E. Many of us rely on this incredible technology for various creative and professional projects, and hitting a usage limit can be frustrating. But don't worry, I'm here to help you understand what steps you can take to manage and overcome these limitations effectively. Firstly, let's talk about what happens when you encounter the "you've hit your quota" message. It's OpenAI's way of letting you know that you've reached your daily or weekly image generation limits. So, what can you do in this situation? Simply put, patience becomes your best friend. Limits usually reset after a period of 24 hours. If you've seen that quota message today, the most straightforward step is to wait until the next day. Once the reset occurs, try generating your images again and see if it works. This is often the easiest way to address the issue without making any changes to your current setup. However, if waiting isn't an option or you frequently run into this problem, and you're currently using the free plan, upgrading to ChatGPT Plus could be your next solution. To do this, head over to your settings, navigate to Upgrade Plan, and select ChatGPT Plus. This subscription plan offers higher usage limits, which might just be the relief you need to complete your projects without delay. While upgrading is a fantastic option, another practical step is to optimize your image generation requests. Instead of sending multiple separate prompts, try to consolidate your needs into a single detailed prompt. By doing so, you'll end up using fewer credits overall, and as an added bonus, the results will likely be richer and more comprehensive. This method not only conserves your usage creds, but also enhances the quality of the output you receive. And finally, if you've tried all the above methods and still find yourself constrained by these limits, consider using a different OpenAI account. Each account has its own usage quotas, so logging in with another account can provide you with a fresh set of limits to work with. Just make sure you're adhering to OpenAI's terms of service as you manage multiple accounts. By implementing these strategies, you can effectively navigate daily or weekly limits in ChatGPT's image generation tool and ensure your creative workflow continues uninterrupted. So whether you're waiting for a limit reset, upgrading your plan, optimizing your prompt strategy, or accessing another account, you've got options to keep your projects on track. Thanks for joining me today, and happy creating.